Good afternoon, one and all. Today we'll start with our second module, Cyber Cafe and Cyber Crimes. In this lecture, we go to the concept of Cyber Cafe first. But starting this lecture, we take the review of previous lecture. So in previous lecture, we have defined how the criminal plan the attacks. There are the three phases. Then social engineering concept, what is known as social engineering, its definition and its types. Then we describe about the concept of cyber stacking. So before start with the lecture, I am asked some questions. You can give me the answer in chat box, or you can personally answer to my WhatsApp number. Okay. Then start with the concept of cyber cafe. In day-to-day life, before everyone know the first resources for the internet, that is a cyber cafe. Before you use any Android mobile or laptop or any gadgets or any PC, we most of the people going to cyber cafe. So cyber cafe is a type of business where the computer are provided for accessing the internet and playing the games, chatting with the friends or doing another computer related task. In most cases, access of the computer and internet is on a charge based on time. So most of you are going to fill the exam form in 10th or any interview information or any that type, you may be charged 20 rupees per hour or 30 rupees per hour. There are many internet cafes located worldwide, and some countries they are considered as the primary internet access for the people. Cyber cafe is also known as internet cafe. So in India, it is second country which around the internet facility. In one NGO do the survey in 2009 February. In 90% audience across the 8 cities of India and 3,500 cafes were the male. In the age group range 15 to 35, out of this 52% are the graduate and postgraduates, and almost are the 50% are the students. In India, cyber cafe known is to be used for the either real or false terrorist communication. So whenever anyone is going to the cyber cafe, there are two types of risks which will be observed by this NGO. First, the victim or the customer do not know what type of the program is installed on the computer, like keylogger or spyware. And second point of view, there is over the shoulder peeping can be enabled other to find out of your password. Cyber criminals mostly prefer for the cyber cafe to carry out their criminal activities. So most of, if you observe analysis, any cyber crime, the 90% crimes are launched from the cyber cafe. In recent survey conducted in one of the metropolitan cities in India, the reveal following facts are observed. So what are the facts? Let us see. First one, the pirated software are installed in a computer. So most of the cyber cafe do not purchase a license-based software. They are installed their computer. Cyber cafe are pirated. Then antivirus are not updated or not latest patch or certification. Several cyber cafe has used or has installed the deep frost to protect the computers, which helps for the cyber criminals. Then it is अजून एक where observation will be observed. The most of the cyber cafe owner do not maintain their annual maintenance contract or servicing of the computer. The Indian government provide as well as the state government, whenever a cyber cafe start by any person, there are some guidelines which will be provided to which side are allowed or which side are not allowed. So in cyber owner do not follow their guidelines. So Cornell website will be not blocked. This is most of the observation in the this type. Cyber cafe owner have very less aware about the ID security. This is also will be observed. Then what are the security tips to be required when going to the cyber cafe? Always log out first. So whenever you are accessing your social media, email, Twitter account, so after complete task you must be log out or sign up. Stay with the computer. So while surfing any data, any your inquiry on online, do not leave that online session or online system in unintended that time. So it is very harmful. Someone is use your account and gain your sensitive information. It will be harmful to your, or it will be used by the cyber criminal for benefits. Then after completion your work from the cyber cafe, go to the history and your downloaded temporary files in download section completely erase it. Okay. So cyber criminal do not find out your history after completion your work. Then be alert. So whenever you observe someone will be watching your backside while using internet in a cyber cafe or use the service. So be alert. Anyone do not observe to you. So one have to be alert for snooping over the shoulder. Means it should be avoided. Avoid online financial transaction. One should avoid the online banking transaction and shopping. Don't provide the sensitive information such as credit card number or bank account details. Then, if it is necessary, it is very important to do the transaction in cyber cafe. After successful transaction, must be change the password after completion successful transaction. Almost every bank website provide a virtual keypad. Must be used the virtual keypad because the software keyloggers or spyware do not support the virtual keypad. So your password or PIN do not copy down it in cyber cafe. Then security warnings. The following security warnings while accessing bank website must be followed. So in this lecture we will introduce the concept of cyber cafe, then its definition and some facts which is related to the cyber cafe. So we can stop here. Thank you.